The Greenlee Splice On connectors are used with the 910FS Fusion Splicer. Splice On connectors eliminate the need for a splice tray since the Fusion Splice Protector is housed within the strain relief boot of the connector. SC, LC, FC, and ST versions are available in single mode and multi-mode, including OM 1, 2, 3, and 4. All splice connectors utilize industry standard color coding. The Greenlee Splice On connector is factory pre-cleaved and is ready for use in the 910FS without the need for stripping, cleaning, or cleaving operations prior to splicing. Splice On connectors are mounted into the Greenlee 910FS Fusion Splicer using universal holders. There are 2 holders available, one for SC and LC and a second holder for FC and ST Splice On connectors. The Splice On connector meets or exceeds all industry specifications and is RoHS and Telecordia GR326 compliant. Splice On connectors are sold in 12 and 100 pack configurations. The Greenlee Splice On connectors are compatible for use in selected FIS, AFL, Sumitomo, and Fitel Fusion splicers. The user must ensure that they have compatible SOC holders for use in their Fusion splicer.